Hello guys, welcome to this tutorial. So today we want to talk on how to whiten these teeth. So if you want to whiten the teeth, come here to a lasso, come to quick selection tool, come to come to a lasso tool, and mark this part like this, mark it like this, mark this part like this. Let me control Z. Mark this part, just mark it this way, the outer part like this. Very good. After marking the part, come to image, after you have come to image adjustment, then come to image adjustment, then hue and saturation, then change hue to and saturation to yellow, change this one to yellow, then saturation, turn saturation to come down. It was this part, it was like this, because the teeth here was yellow. Turn it down like this. After that, the white part also, add whitish part like this. It will be naturally whitened. Then press OK. Nice, very nice. If you like this, kindly subscribe to this channel for more